Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a popular request, installing Zorin OS on VirtualBox. Whether you're a beginner just getting into Linux or a pro looking to spin up a quick VM, this guide will take you from zero to a fully functional Zorin desktop. Let's not waste any time. Here's how it's done.
Zorin OS comes in 3 flavors: Pro, Core, and Education. The Pro version is the premium paid edition packed with extra features and software, while Core and Education are both completely free, offering a streamlined experience tailored for general users and students respectively.
First things first, let's take a quick look at the system requirements for Zorin OS 18. To run it comfortably inside a virtual machine, you'll need a host system with at least 4 GB of RAM and about 20 GB of free disk space to allocate to the VM. Now it's time to set up our virtual machine. Open up VirtualBox and click the New button to get started. Let's boot into the live environment. Click Start and the system will boot into the live desktop. Once you boot into the live environment, the Zorin OS installer will automatically launch. From there, you can simply click through the prompts to begin installing the system. The actual installation process can take a little while, so to save us some time, let's fast forward to the end where everything's all set up. The system will restart and land you at the login screen. From there, just type in your username and password, and welcome to your fresh Zorin OS desktop. Finally, let's open up the terminal and run a few quick commands just to make sure everything is working as expected. If this tutorial helped you out and you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're always putting out new Linux content to help you get the most out of your system.